Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got a travel vlog and we're off to Orlando in Florida, a cheeky 5 days away. Today's vlog is just going to be a day's travel vlog. So we're starting off here in the #1 lounge, and it's really nice. It's really quiet. The food looks delicious. Already got my drink. We'll have a bite to eat. Come on.
Here you've got your typical breakfast. You've got scrambled eggs, hash browns, tomatoes, beans, you've got sausages, bacon, sautéed mushrooms, you've got soup, you've got toppings, you've got oats, you've got porridge, you've got pastries, and you've got cereal. And at the end you've got a pancake maker. Sautéed mushrooms was absolutely delicious. Sausages a little bit hard, but all in all a very nice breakfast.
Well, we're all boarded and only 70 people on the flight. Bonus. So far, nobody sat next to me. That'd be nice. Cheers. Hi guys, and welcome aboard the A330 Airbus, flying with Virgin. And I gotta say, I'm really impressed so far. It's really nice. Seats are really comfy. I'll show you around that in a bit. Drink service has just come round. I've gone for the Jack Daniels, as always, unless of course Jameson's is available. Got some little sour cream nibbles. I'm sure that'll be very nice. The first meal service has arrived, and it looks absolutely fantastic. Have a look at this. Spot on.
Here we've got the starter, which is the winter caprese salad, served with a soft bread roll and some butter. Main course, I went for the codfish cake. Not normally what I would go for, but thought I'd be a bit different today. And for dessert, we've got our Millionaire chocolate dome, and we've also got a cheese plate with some Somerset brie and some crackers and grapes. And I have to say, all of it was delicious. Let's take a quick look around the seat. So the screen in front is a 13.3-inch screen, and you're able to tilt it to get the right viewing angle that you need. You do have to close the blind because it gets a bit glary. You've also got this little hand remote which can also control the screen, the movies and the games, and you can also order off the menu. Here you've got your USB points. Seat controls are all here in the arm, which gives you a recline of up to 8 inches. The tray is also in the arm and just lifts straight out. You've also got a footrest, and in this seat I believe it's 38-inch pitch, so that gives you plenty of leg room. These are the headphones that you get, and they're not bad. They're not the best either. I highly recommend you bring your own headphones that you're comfortable with. They do have a 3.5mm jack for you to plug into.
Okay, so we're about like 5 hours left on the journey, and they've just brought round a lovely Magnum. Mini Magnum. Nice. Premium economy. Poo room review. So we've got 2 hours left now, so we've been flying for like 6 hours. So let's see what this is like. So we've got a nice mirror. Nice lights. Looks a bit dirty around the edges. Not what you'd kind of expect for Virgin. You've got somewhere to put all your rubbish. You've got a wash basin. You've got 2 toilet rolls, one's empty. And you've got your toilet. And your baby changing. And just over here you've got some tissues. And you've got some hand wash. We're an hour and a half away from landing, and out comes afternoon tea. And this looks nice. What we got? A warm scone. You've got your jam. You've got your clotted cream. The finger sandwiches are double cheese, spring onion on malted bread. And we've also got like a little quiche thing, which is mature cheddar, spinach, and paprika crumble. Don't know how I'm going to feel about that one. We'll see. And we've got a cherry gelée. The best a man can get. I don't know how you say it. But anyway, get talking. Let's give this a try. You know what? It's cheesy. What a surprise. Very cheesy. Creamy. Very nice.
110 miles, so it should take us just around 30 minutes or so.
So we're off the plane, headed straight to the hotel, got changed, 28 degrees out here now, so I needed to jump into some shorts, headed straight to Disney Springs. I'm going to do the Christmas tree stroll. You basically just go around collecting stamps, and then at the end you get a little badge or a pin for it, which is really cool. It usually looks just like that. We're going to crack on. We're going to get something to eat here, get the Christmas tree stroll done, and we're going to head back to the apartment and get some sleep. Right, let's get this started.
So this place, the Deluxe Burger, has the Beef Wellington viral burger, and I want it, so I'm going to have it. Let's take a look.
So we're here, we're at the Deluxe Burger, and it's in Disney Springs. And I've ordered the Beef Wellington burger and the cookies and cream milkshake. Let's try this first. Oh yeah, that is delicious. That is proper cookies and cream. That's thick, milky, creamy. It's just absolutely delicious. Makes you just want to drink that, then go and get another one straight away. It's that nice. I've already took a bite out of this just to try it, and it is really nice. So this is 2 pressed signature blend patties, crispy prosciutto, looks very fancy, mushroom duxels, I don't know, and herb puff pastry bun. So that there is what's in it. It's very greasy. And I've already taken a few bites out of it already, and it is absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Really nice. Anyway, I'm going to finish this. Do a few more Christmas tree stroll things. I've started a few already. So, finish a few more of them. I head back to the hotel, and that'll be the end of the travel vlog, because I am absolutely shattered. I've been awake for 20 hours now. I'm starting to feel it. So, catch you tomorrow, guys.
That's 2. Alright, so I redeemed all my little stickers, and for that, probably 10,000 steps, you get a little tree hanger. It's pretty smart, pretty cool, and it's a fun activity to do. And whilst I was wandering around, I got a happy birthday badge. Nice.
Well, if you've stuck around to the end of the video, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And on that note, I'll see you in the next one.